to his parents. He seems to have continuously lived there for almost 10 years now. Part of what I think the victims have alluded to, Mott avoiding camera footage so successfully. That's how. He obviously knows where all the cameras are. He can aid her in avoiding those. Regardless, when we got the first spat of those referrals for that kind of restraining order, they weren't as severe. We actually met my office with Victoria Mott back then in terms of her being the victim of the past domestic abuse case, and explained to her, Christy and Jason Haskins have nothing to do with your domestic abuse case. This restraining order through the full faith and credit clause, if you violate it by going to this property, because it says go to the property, even if you have Jordan's permission, is a violation, and warned her if she continued to do it, we would be filing cases. She continued to do it. We filed these cases. The behavior got more and more specific and targeted towards the victims, Christy and Jason Haskins. There's really no reason for it at all for her to be doing that, especially when she's continued to have this on again, off again relationship with Jordan throughout the whole time. That is why in this case, Victoria Mott has no criminal history. So normally you'd look at this and say 3 convictions and a recommendation for 30 days jail right off the bat with probation. Is that too severe? No. I think you've heard the impact on the victims back there, how much it's distressed them, how much unpredictability it puts into their enjoyment of their property. And I think it's necessary here because of the repetition.
Mr. Polisky.
Thank you, Your Honor. In entering in this plea today, Ms. Mott is paying a price for her actions. She is accepting responsibility for them and is suffering the consequences.